This forklift is a premium product. It is highly ergonomic and durable. It weighs precisely, whether receiving goods or at plausibility checks. The ergonomic drawbar grip has a patented operating handle for raising or lowering the load. Weighing cells at 4 of the fork's corner points guarantee particularly precise weighing at every lifting height, at inclined positions too. The total weighing capacity is from 0 to 2,200 kilograms in 0.2 kilo increments. With at least 99.9% weighing accuracy, you have the ability to work extremely precisely. The scales, with user manual, are very user-friendly and fulfill the following functions: manual and automatic zero correction, gross net weighing, tare pre-input, weight balancing and output of error messages. It also has a multi-range display and a memory. The scales are fitted with a pluggable battery module. It is simple to charge and has an operating time of 60 hours. The forklift is mobile and extremely accurate and can be utilized flexibly in storage, production and dispatch.